What is going on, guys? It's Cassie from Passive Passion on Income, and right now I'm here in Silicon Valley at the Apple Park. The visitor center is right, as you can see, right from this signage behind me. So I'm at San Jose right now. San Jose is a beautiful city, a lot of greenery, beautiful hills. It's about 45 minutes drive from San Francisco. So I had to come down here as I had some meeting with some of my clients, and yeah, that's about it. So if you do get time, if you are visiting San Francisco, make it a point that you take a drive down from San Francisco and come out here. Beautiful place to come and check out this park. And the Google and Facebook headquarters are also here. Google is actually 15 minutes walk from here, and Facebook is on my left hand side. So those are also the other places where I'll be going and checking out. All right, and go to my Instagram. All right, check all my updates, check my pictures, that you can be updated with all my journey. All right, guys, see you soon. So here I am at the Facebook compound, but apparently the logo or the signage seems to be changed, and it's known as Meta. So as per the security officer out here, it's been about 5 months since they've made this change. And yeah, as you can see right behind me, it's going to be known as Meta. And just like all of us who are Facebook users, we have been noticing this change. So nothing surprising per se. So there it is, guys, Facebook. So do make it a point to come and visit this place too. It looks beautiful. They've built amazing offices out here with a lot of recreational activities for their employees. So yeah.